This 2024 East to West Blackthorn half-ton 27 BHOK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Clermont, New Jersey, 08210 and is offered for sale by Driftwood RV Center. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used East to West is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features a gray interior, sleeps 9, slide-out, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Driftwood RV Center.